To send money from India to Indonesia, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a money transfer service that operates in both countries. There are several options available, including online services such as PayPal, TransferWise, and Z Money Transfer, as well as traditional banks and money transfer agents like Western Union. Once you have selected a service, you will need to create an account and verify your identity. This typically involves providing some personal details, such as your name, address, and date of birth, as well as proof of identity and proof of address. Next, you will need to add the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account details if you are sending money directly to their bank account. You will also need to specify the amount you want to send in the currency you want to send it in. After that, you will need to pay for the transfer. This can usually be done using a debit or credit card, or by transferring the funds from your bank account. The service will then convert your money into Indonesian rupiah and send it to the recipient. It is essential to compare the exchange rates and fees offered by different services before making a transfer, as these can vary significantly. You should also check the estimated delivery time, as this can range from a few minutes to several days, depending on the service and the payment method. Additionally, you should be aware of any transfer limits that may apply, as well as any additional fees that may be charged by the recipient's bank. To avoid any issues, it is recommended that you use a reputable service and follow the instructions carefully. By following these steps, you can send money from India to Indonesia quickly and securely. It is always a good idea to research and compare different services before making a transfer, to ensure that you get the best deal.